This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sheri Ford. Enjoy the golf course view and pond with a serene setting from this condo's resort-style living. A maintenance-free, gated community with plenty of activities to keep you busy: pools, clubhouse, golf course, tennis courts, playground, park, restaurants, dog park, fitness center, and more. This condo has 2 bedrooms, with a split floor plan, a master walk-in closet, laundry closet, and 2 full baths. The kitchen boasts granite countertops, wood cabinets and plenty of space for a breakfast table. A separate storage room outside the unit is located on the same floor for all your activity equipment, beach toys, bikes, etc. Riverstrand Clubhouse has restaurants, tiki bar and resort-style amenities. A satellite pool is located directly across the street from your condo. Located conveniently to I-75 interstate, shopping, restaurants and Costco. Anna Maria Island, approximately 18 miles, has that old Florida appeal with white sandy beaches, restaurants, shopping, and water sports. More pictures to come. For more information, review the details below.